Hello, welcome to VirtualX MasterClass where education meets excellence. This is Series 1, Episode 6 on Mathematics Revision from November 2022, Paper 1. We are going to look at Question 1.3, Decoding a Brain Teaser. 2 to the power of 5 times n minus 5 to the power of n plus 1 plus 5 to the power of n plus 2 is even for any positive integer n. Enjoy this journey to empowerment and inspiration. Step 1. Start by looking at the first term, which is 2 times 5 to the power of n. Write it down as 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the nth power. Step 2. Now, move to the second term, which is negative 5 to the power of n plus 1. Say it as minus 5 raised to the power of n plus 1. Step 3. The third term is positive 5 to the power of n plus 2. Note it as plus 5 raised to the power of n plus 2. Step 4. Combine the like terms. Since both the second and third terms have a base of 5, we combine them by adding their coefficients. This results in 20 times 5 to the power of n. Step 5. Rewrite the combined expression. The entire expression now reads as 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the nth power plus 20 times 5 raised to the nth power. Step 6. We factor 5 to the nth power from both terms, which simplifies our expression to 22 times 5 raised to the nth power. Step 7. Lastly, recognize that multiplying anything by an even number, like 22, gives us an even result. Therefore, no matter what positive integer n is, the expression will always be even. And that concludes our explanation for today. You've successfully simplified the expression and shown that it is even for any positive integer value of n. Well done. Thank you for engaging with this lesson. Our exploration into the world of mathematics doesn't end here. To watch more lessons like this one, kindly join our community by subscribing to VirtualX MasterClass. Your journey of excellence continues with us. Until next time, stay inspired, stay motivated, and above all, keep advancing.